Morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about the sputum examination. So, what is the sputum? Sputum, it is a material that coughed up from the bronchial trachea is known as the sputum. So, the sputum is a material that is coughed up. That is coughed up from the bronchi and trachea. Bronchi and trachea is known as the sputum. Sputum means that is coughed up from the bronchi and trachea is known as the sputum. So the sputum is a collection of the sputum. How to collect the sputum and so the next one collection. So collection. So collection as a early morning specimen. Collection as a an early morning as a early morning specimen only. Collect the early morning specimen only. So or entire 24-hour specimen, 24-hour specimen also collected. And in here the next one examination, the next one going to examine the sputum. So how to examine? So different type depends upon the physical character and depends upon the chemical character with the using of the microscope. With the using of the microscope. So here first of all we'll discuss about the physical characters. Physical examination. So physical examination so means like depends upon the quantity and the next one order, color and consistency, identification of the certain diseases also is that depends upon the physical character. And first of all quantity, what about the quantity? 100 cc for 24 hours. 100 cc for 24 hours. So in case of 100 cc for 24 hours, it indicates the pulmonary edema. It indicates the pulmonary edema. It indicates the pulmonary edema. And the next one bronchochetasis. These are the occur. And the next one consistency. What about the consistency? So it may be serious. Fourth or myocardial pulmonary hemorrhagic or the consistency occur. In case of serious, maybe serious condition. So fourth and mucoid or purulent. So hemorrhagic in condition. And what about the order? So what about the order of the sputum? So order. So in case of putroid order, so means here bronchochetasis occur, lung abscesses and bronchochetasis is occur. And the next one in case of order is a Swedish order. So Swedish order means it is a pulmonary tuberculosis. Pulmonary tuberculosis is occur or fungal infections also, due to fungal infection also Swedish in order. And in case of cheesy in order or necrotic order, cheesy or necrotic order. So at that moment it is the long standing samples, due to long standing samples. So it forms in the cheesy and necrotic order. And the next one, what about the color? So color in case of gray color, so gray color is indicates the it is indicate the purulent sputum. And green color, so the green color indicates indicates the presence of the pseudomonas cocci is presented. Pseudomonas coca is presented. And in case of black in color, the black in color indicates the due to dust. So black color is identified in the given sample. And the next one, blood sputum. So due blood sputum, in the sputum with the blood sputum means pulmonary tuberculosis. Pulmonary tuberculosis, sometimes blood sputum is also identified. So this is about them. Sometimes pneumonia also. Pneumonia, it leads to the Peyronie juice is appearance. Peyronie juice is appearance due to pneumonia. So this is the physical examination. So the next one, examination of unstained sputum. Examination of unstained sputum. Examination of unstained sputum. So examination of unstained sputum. So here look under microscope. In here look under. They take the sputum. Take the sputum sample. So placed in a under microscope. Under microscope. So in here. So I identify the different types of structures. What are there? One is the elastic fibers. Elastic fibers are identified. So the heavy Frankel fibers or bundle-like structures are identified. So bundles also identified. So like what are there? Number one, Kurzgesman spirals. Kurzgesman spirals are identified. So they are the wiry and spiral in structure. So this type of structure is identified seen in the asthma condition. And the next one, different types of crystals also identified. So that is the Charcot crystals. Charcot crystals are identified. The crystal crystals are what is the structure? Needle shape structure. Colorless crystals are identified. These are also identified in the asthma. And the next one, number 3, pigment cells also presented. In the sputum. So it is which in color? It is a dark brown in color. So it is dark brown in color or carbon pigment in color. So these type of are presented in there. And the next one, some types is a solar gleaner. Solar granules are presented. Solar granules means it is a yellow granules are presented. Yellow granular structures is presented. So the yellow granular structure is the actinomycetes. So actinomycetes means fungal infections or yeast or mold infections are they presented. So this is the fungal, due to fungal infections, it is solar granules are presented. And sometimes it is branchial cast also presented. Branchial casts are presented. The branchial cast means fibrinous casts. Fibrinous casts from the inside branchials to coughed out. So sometimes coughed out condition at the splitting or coughed out condition. So these are the identified. This is the examination of the unstained sputum. So then we discuss about the examination of the stained sputum. How to examine the stained sputum right now? So the sputum spear made a clean and slide set allow to dry. First of all, take a sputum sample. Take a sputum sample in on a glass slide. So on a glass slide. So this is the glass slide. So then it one is allow to dry. So and allowed to dry after drying and fixed over a flame. It fixed over a flame fixed over a flame. So these are after that they means the flame is placed in here. So they fix the sample on the surface of the glass slide. So after that so with the using of the various stains are we are using. So what are there? So different types of stains are we are using. What are there? One is the methylene blue, and the next one gram stain, and the next one Jellins Nelson acid phosphate. So acid phosphate, and the next one different types of stains are added one by one to each and every sample. So the next one after that the stains smear examine. After that the examine under oil immersion. So under oil immersion, oil is added to the sample. That's enough. So after that, what happened? Look for the organisms. Look for organism. Which type of organisms are presented? So like polymorphs, lymphocytes, eosinophils, and mononuclear cells, and epithelial cells, RBC, parasites. So these are the found in the sputum. Should also kept in our mind will examination parasites is like what are their parasites. So parasites like entamoeba histolytica can found in the sputum. Hepatic disease rupture the lungs. So the entamoeba histolytica is presented in the parasite examination. It is a rupture the lungs, and different types of diseases are occur with the these type of activities. So this is about the examination of the stained sputum. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss.